everyone, I'm going to show you how to set time zone in Teams calendar. So start by opening Microsoft Teams, then click the three-dot menu next to your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Settings. Now make sure you're on the General tab. Under General tab, scroll down until you find the time zone section. So here you'll notice that Teams uses the same time zone settings as your Windows computer. So click Manage Windows Settings. Then go to Set Time Zone automatically. If it's enabled, just toggle it off. So toggle it off just like so. Then below that is the time zone. So click this drop down menu. Then you'll be able to manually choose the time zone you want from the drop down menu. So after changing your time zone in Windows, go back to Microsoft Teams. Then Teams will automatically use the updated time zone, so your calendar and meeting times will reflect the new setting. So that's how you can change the time zone in Microsoft Teams. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.